Man, the hoodie on now. Reload on the block. Nigga, yeah, Beezy on the block. Hold up, man, brother, you on the block. Man, damn, you don't wanna stop. From the kitchen to the motherfucking living room, these niggas trying to come through consume, but I'm leaping over that boom. I ain't going down like Zoom. Riding through this motherfucker living like I do. Harlem Tootsie, get your body, leave you rocking, leave you dying, leave you ride this motherfucker mama crying. Everybody terrified when they see me out, cause a nigga played with me, so I had to take a mind. Leave my nigga alone, they trying to come up on their own, they thumping strong. Nigga, we don't fuck with you, man, they each his own. From Dayton down to Daytona, nigga, Ohio to Florida, you seen this shit in college 2 years ago. These niggas living like they body cold, close zero. I hit these niggas leave them gone like I stay on the low. Below for sure, that's how it go. And I'ma roll like I'm on some Miley or a fucking pill. Niggas sipping on that Benadryl, ready to go and kill. Knock these pussy niggas straight up off they fucking heels. Mess around with me, you see nothing but clinical skills. I give it to these bitches till they feel like they ears. Penetration, no flipping, niggas out the game. Hit my nigga and let them know it won't change. From the motherfucking kitchen to the living room. Shit won't change. Straight for assuming my mans get missing. I don't wanna say like the moms get kissing. The closed casket pose to disaster. I don't wanna try to catch a sis, my bastard. Keep it like a pastor. I don't wanna praise him. I don't wanna look at the carrot that can be laid. I don't wanna see lays, but mans get your B-laid. And I can talk about how the things get your throat shaved. I don't wanna see crap, but mans get my C-capped. I can get you back like a murder B-lag. And I don't wanna say pros, my mans get Joes. Fuck around hoes, dog, your bitch might know. The leaking in the noses from the coke straight raw. I don't wanna make a frame, but the pussy might fall. So if I gotta beat it, the action gets succeeded. I ain't talking about I skeet it, but fuck it, I might beat it. Fuck around, I ski skid. No, I sow shit. Fuck around, I take the soul and get the glow shit. I don't wanna holler what you get, wood eye. I got a nigga saying written, but the whole lie. Nigga ride this shit, nigga lie this shit. You thought it was over till you see me coming out that fine spit. Nigga, we gon' do this shit straight to the end. Nigga, we gon' do this shit straight to the end. Damn, my niggas in the end, like heaven, the devil, they never represent. So we always look back for the repentant thems. But these niggas try to redeem, but niggas always sin. So me, I keep it truthful, them haters keep it rueful. And I can tell it straight dog, I keep it straight boothful. So niggas wanna catch it, I might catch it. Put it down to a ground, put a fuck up with the rest, kid. I don't want the best kids, but niggas invest. And if I gotta invest to invest, to invest, I can do it all good, but fuck it, I'm hood. So a next nigga wishing that he's all real hood. But teeth up in my mouth and tell a hole full account. And I don't wanna say account and get my bank and tell it out. So first, kid, I let you spit it all out. Fuck it.
Hey, I didn't play that bit back.
Alright.
See, you be rapping so fast, we can hear you say it, but